Hello students, we start the part 3 of the mode. If you have seen my previous video, I have put one introductory video on central tendency, overview of the full thing. Then I have got 2 each on mean, 2 on median, 2 on mode. Now I am going to the part 3 of mode, median and mean. So here part 3 of mode I am going to what we call, if you see question called group data with class interval, the third type. So please see my introductory video and other 6 video, 2 each on mean, median, mode. So concept here, so we are going to find median of group data with the help of, this is called a histogram. I am not teaching you to the process of drawing histogram because you have already done this in class 8 or 9. Anyway, I'll explain it to you. So the first thing here, what we are going to find, estimation of mode from histogram. Estimation is roughly like finding. Estimation is little rough value, not so exact, because when you go in 11 and 12, this is what I was telling you, or some other board, they have a formula for finding mode of class interval. This is question 1 of exercise 21.4 ML Agrawal. Please see the text or the book. Okay, now, so estimation of mode. First thing, you draw histogram. Second thing, in the highest rectangle, so we draw the histogram. So here we have up to 30, 0, 5, 10, and here we have frequency. This is frequency up to 20. So we have frequency, and here it is class interval. This is class interval. Okay. 0 to 5 we have 2, 5 to 10 we have 5, 10 to 15 we have 18. So this I have drawn small, you can see. 15 to 20 we have 14. Use a graph paper. ICSE tells children for this you need 2 millimeter graph. There are graph is of generally 2-3 type, inch graph. This is 2 millimeter graph if possible. Now you may not get the graph also. So I am doing, this is ICSE 2013 question 1 of exercise 21.4. So first we draw the histogram. This boys I think all of you know. So here same way we have 15 to 20, 8, 20 to 25, 8, 15 to 20 is 14. 25 to 30 is again 5. See, so I have drawn, this line is not needed, dotted line, because when you do in graph, this you will understand. So, in the highest rectangle, draw 2 lines. So here, this is the highest rectangle because this is the model class, 10, 15. So our answer will be between this. As I told you in earlier discussion, mode is the highest frequency. So we are, here just you have to see 3 things. One rectangle before, that is 5 to 10 class interval, and one after, 15 to 20. This is succeeding, this class interval, this is preceding. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 are needed. So take the highest frequency rectangle, this is called, and this is called modal class, not median class, modal class. In the highest rectangle, draw 2 lines like this, from here to this, and there to this. So this is AB, from this point to this rectangle stop, and from here to this corner of the rectangle. So once more, from here to here, this rectangle ends here, and here you join A to B and C to D. Where they meet, you put a perpendicular. That point gives you mode. So see, answer here is 13.6, which is between 10 to 15. Always your answer will be in the modal class, and these 3 are important. Others are not so important to give you the value of mode, but you need to draw to get full mark. Next, draw vertical line down. This is the vertical line, like we said, drop a perpendicular. Variate at that point. Remember, frequency is never the answer, it is the variate in the class interval. So, variate at that point gives the mode. Okay, note, if frequency distribution, this I'll have another separate video for this. What is discontinuous? Frequency distribution, you have to make it continuous. You will say, sir, what it is? Please see solved example. This is example EG, not E6. Example number 3. Solved example 3 is very nice. where they teach you how we convert a discontinuous into continuous by adjusting it both the side. So please see solved example, and there are two very good solved example in this exercise 21.4. Question 1, that is 2004 question I think, and question 2 solved 2009 question. This is not a ICSE question, discontinuous. Generally I have not seen, I will search. So discontinuous is given in the book. It sometimes comes in exam, but these are more important, and I am going to solve. So these two are solved. Please solve them and again and see in a graph paper. This is discontinuous to continuous. See solved example 1, 2 and 3, and I am doing unsolved 1 and one more I will do over here. So last, before I finish, you draw the histogram which you have learnt in class 9 and draw two lines. Okay, in the highest rectangle draw two lines like this, I told you, up to this and from here to here. Where they meet, drop a perpendicular, and it will always be between this highest modal class and this point. What you get is the mode. So please pause the video and copy everything and practice. So one more sum, children. So please see, next I am doing in this session the last question, question 3. This is ICSE 2013. It is question 3 of exercise 21.4. Test of 50 students, these are the marks. See, test was conducted, it's a very good class. Between 50 to 100, all the students got marked. 50 to 64 students. 60 to 78, like that. So there are total number of 50 students. You don't need to add frequency, boys. You don't need to add as we do in mean or median also. You see, we take cumulative frequency. Now let me tell you how we are drawing. So use the graph paper, 2 mm graph paper, what ICSE gives. This is ICSE question. So here it is up to 20. See, that graph is spread out. Sometimes I see children, full graph paper, graph is less than half of the page. Double the scale. So scale, you have to use your common sense. You get a big histogram, you get a big ogive in median, then your answer will be more accurate. So you need to practice with different scales. So here 0 to 50 no one got. So this is called a kink. This is called a kink. Okay. So we draw a kink so that this is not as per the order, because 0 to 50, suppose we draw 50 to 100. This much space will be blank. So this kink shows you this is not in that scale what we have. See, a 50 to 100 here. So 0 to 50 should be here. So this shows this part is not up to scale. So this is a very important thing to use, because if you leave straight, means 0 to 50 so less and 50 to 100 so much. So this is one important thing. So see here, 50 to 60 we have 4, 50 to 60 we have 4 here. This one leave blank, this is blank. This is not a histogram, just I am showing you this is up to 4. 60 to 70 you draw up to 8. Okay, this is not needed if you do that, if you do in a graph paper. 70 to 80, 14. So this is 14. So this, if you see, 70 to 80 is 14. So really you don't need to draw if you are doing in a graph paper. To 80 to 90, this is what we call modal class, because there is a way by formula also. We do in 11 and 12, and in some board I told you they use formula. Therefore you will see some people finding mode by formula, but that is not in ICSE, children. Median and mode by formula is there in some other board. In class 11 and 12 we have mode by histogram and median by ogive S curve, like this you will get. That I will teach you in the next session, next class. So this is called modal, means which has the highest frequency. Answer will be between 80 to 90, you will see. So final thing, 90 to 100, 5. So this is up to 5. So finally I have got the histogram. I said draw two lines. Draw these two lines here. Draw these two lines. So from here, this corner to this up corner and this, and you drop a perpendicular here. So my answer may not be so correct. Roughly I am estimating it is 82.5. So mode is, if you do on a graph paper, you should get this. So mode of this student is 82.5 marks, children. Once more, draw two straight lines with scale and drop. Where these two intersect, drop a perpendicular drop. So we call it drop a line down, vertically down, see where it hits. So it is somewhere 82.5, you will see. So this was my second question. Please practice solved example, some are very good, and unsolved example. So please copy this by pausing the video. Pause. So boys, I hope you have copied this, you have understood. So like this you do. I told you solved example 1, 2, 3 are very good. Unsolved example, do all the ICSE ones, they are very good. You need a graph paper, you cannot do this without a graph paper. Please have any old in physics practical, anywhere, you get a graph paper and draw and do. And again for OJI we will need, so please arrange graph paper if possible. And here I told you this is very important to draw, and I think spelling will be K-I-N-K, and this is also called zigzag curve. Okay, so because this is zigzag this way. Okay, so reason for this is this part I told you is not as per scale. So thank you boys for watching.